Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is September 27th, and this is our update for our Lower Lynn second story edition awesomeness. You can see behind me a lovely garbage bin, but that's not what we're really caring about, is it now? The roof is on. We had a break in the weather for us. It's been a miserable week, and so the roofer's like, well, we don't want to tear somebody else's roof open, so let's get your roof on. So lucky us. So we're now watertight, which is pretty exciting. It'll be really interesting for you to see the back of this home and see what the backyard looks like. It's looking really good. So this is what the back of the house looks like. I could not be happier with how the architecture has turned out and how our design is coming to life for these clients. I think it looks phenomenal. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions about what we can do to make your home spectacular, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day.